Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y over x. They are the root number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put y equals to vx. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dy over dx. This one we have dv over dx multiplied by x. This one we have number 1, so we have v. So this is about the product rule of the derivative. So y we change by vx, dy over dx we change by this one. So this one we change by v, this one we change by v. V and v we simplify. Cotant of v we put on the left, ds and s we put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. This one we have sin v over cos v dv. So the integration of this one we have ln of the absolute value of cos v. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s, and now we need to change v into this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.